Installation instructions. Leave scanner unplugged, open Downloads folder, run the installer, plug in the scanner. Open the installer from your Downloads folder. Double-click or open the installer. Double-click or open the installer package. Click Continue in the dialog. Read the license agreement and disagree or agree. Click Install to perform a standard installation of the software on the disk. Enter your admin password and click Install. Congratulations for successfully installing your new SilverFast 8 software. To start SilverFast 8, please run SilverFast 8 from your Applications folder or use the SilverFast 8 startup icon in your dock. Successful installation. Let's plug in the scanner. Remove transportation lock. Plug in the smaller end of the USB cable. Plug in the male connector from the power supply. Turn on the scanner. Activation of SilverFast SE. Fresh installation or upgrading from a demo version. Click on the SilverFast icon in the dock. Check if the scanner is selected under Image Source. Choose from 11 languages in SilverFast. Click Start button to start SilverFast. Enter the information you received from us via email after registration. Open your email client. Note first and last name as registered. Select and copy your serial to your clipboard. Return to SilverFast. Enter first name. Enter last name. Company not required. Paste serial key from email. If unlock is grayed out, double-check for typos. You're already registered. Skip registration. Click Continue. That's a wrap. Upgrading from a demo version. Click on the SilverFast icon in the dock. Check if the scanner is selected under Image Source. Click Start button to start SilverFast. Click Enter serial number. Open your email client. Select and copy your serial to your clipboard. Return to SilverFast. Enter first name. Enter last name. Company not required. Paste serial key from email. If unlock is grayed out, double-check for typos. Click Unlock. Click Continue. You successfully upgraded to full version with no watermarks. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Safe scanning.